We like food.
Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to turn your kitchen leftovers into a delicious snack. We're making crispy potato peel fries, seasoned with rosemary and salt. They're incredibly easy to make and they're a great way to reduce food waste. To start, you'll need to peel some potatoes. This recipe is perfect for those times when you're making mashed potatoes or any other dish that requires peeled potatoes. Once your potatoes have been peeled, it's time to heat up some oil. Place the frying pan over a medium-high heat and bring the oil up to a 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. When the oil is up to temperature, carefully add the potato peels. Cook them until they reach a golden brown colour. Make sure to stir them occasionally so they brown evenly and don't stick together. Once it's done, remove the peels from the pan using a slotted spoon or tongs. This will allow any excess oil to drain. Serve the crispy potato peel fries up in a bowl. While they're still hot, season them with fresh rosemary and salt. The heat will help release those aromatic oils in the rosemary and the salt will stick to those peels better. Now all that's left to do is to serve them up. There you have it, crispy potato peel fries. These are delicious, but they're even better when you add some mayonnaise or some sauce on the side. A perfect snack for what you might have thought should have just gone in the bin. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and follow us on social media. And if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.